You're about to discover a 30-second eye exercise that seniors everywhere are calling life-changing. One woman even said she could finally read her grandson's birthday card, without glasses. If your vision has been slipping, if words look blurrier, lights feel harsher, or your eyes just don't seem to keep up anymore, this might be exactly what you've been waiting for. Because here's the truth, declining vision isn't just frustrating, it's isolating. You stop reading the books you love. Driving becomes stressful. Even making eye contact feels harder. And it's not always about aging, it's about neglecting something no one ever taught us to care for, the tiny muscles inside your eyes. But what if you could gently train your eyes to work better, naturally? No surgery. No new prescriptions. Just a simple, proven routine that helps reactivate the clarity you thought you'd lost. This is Better Aging Advice for Elderly, where we share simple, science-backed habits to help you feel younger, sharper, and more connected. Tap subscribe, because what you're about to learn has already helped thousands regain confidence, and it might just do the same for you. Stay with me, because in a moment, I'll walk you through the exact 30-second exercise step by step. But first, there's something you need to understand about what's really happening inside your eyes. You're not imagining it, your eyes have changed. But not because they've failed you. It's because they've been quietly overworked and undertrained for years. Let's start with the most common reason, presbyopia. That's the medical term for what happens when the lens inside your eye, once flexible like a rubber band, starts to stiffen with age. This lens is what helps you shift focus from something far away to something close, like a book or a phone screen. But as it hardens, that ability fades. You squint more. You stretch your arm just to read a label. Sound familiar? Now, add this, digital eye strain. Decades ago, your eyes spent more time adjusting, looking up, down, near, far. But now, many of us, especially during retirement, spend hours looking at screens or staring straight ahead. That repetitive stillness trains your eyes to do just one thing. And forget the rest. Then there's something no one really talks about, your eye muscles. Yes, your eyes have muscles too. Tiny ones. And just like your legs or back, if you don't move them, they weaken. Over time, they stop reacting quickly. You blink less. Your eyes dry out. You feel tension you can't explain. But here's the part no one tells you, and it matters, you're not broken. Your vision may be declining, yes. But it's not because you're too old or beyond help. It's because you're underusing your natural tools. Imagine someone who hasn't walked in months trying to stand again. It's not that their legs are too old, it's that they've gone unused. The same is true for your vision. You can begin retraining it. Gently. Daily. And it starts with a routine so simple, you'll wonder why no one told you sooner. In just a moment, I'll guide you through a 30-second exercise that helps reactivate the parts of your vision that age tries to dim. It's easy, it's free, and it's helped thousands of seniors regain not just clarity, but confidence. And once you feel that difference, even once, you'll never look at your eyes the same way again. Now, here's the moment you've been waiting for, the 30-second exercise that's quietly changing lives in senior communities around the world. Simple, gentle, and surprisingly powerful. It's called the Focus Shift Reset. And if you can hold up your thumb, you can do this. Here's how it works. Step 1. Sit somewhere comfortable, near a window if possible. Natural light helps your eyes relax, and it gives you a better view for what's coming next. Make sure you're not rushing, this is your moment of care. Step 2. Hold up your thumb, or a pen, about 8 inches from your nose. That's roughly the distance from your nose to the middle of your chest. Just stretch your arm forward a little and bend your elbow so your thumb sits right in front of your face, not too close, not too far. Step 3. Gently focus on your thumb for 5 full seconds. Let your eyes settle. No squinting. No rushing. Just look at your thumb like you're noticing the little details, lines, color, shape. This helps your eyes activate the muscles used for close-up vision. Step 4. Now look at something far away, about 15 to 20 feet. Pick something clear and steady. Maybe a photo across the room, a tree outside, or a clock on the wall. Hold your gaze there for 5 seconds. Let your eyes stretch their focus. Take your time. Step 5. Slowly shift your eyes back to your thumb. You've now completed one full cycle, near, then far, then near again. Step 6. Repeat this back and forth shift 6 times. Each shift takes about 10 seconds. So altogether, this routine takes only around 1 minute. But in that minute, you're doing something powerful, giving your eyes the kind of gentle exercise they rarely get anymore. Tips to make it easier: breathe slowly as you do it. It helps reduce tension. Don't worry if things look blurry at first, that's normal. Use a favorite object instead of your thumb if you like. Try it twice a day, once in the morning, once in the evening. This exercise may feel strange at first, especially if your eyes haven't moved this way in a while. But keep going. It's like waking up muscles that have been asleep. In the next section, we'll talk about why this helps so many seniors feel clearer and more in control of their vision again. But for now, just focus on doing the steps slowly, gently, and consistently. It only takes a minute. But it could give you back something that matters more than time: confidence in your vision. Now that you know how to do the exercise, let's talk about why it works, because understanding what's happening behind the scenes helps you stay motivated and consistent. Think of your eyes like any other part of your body. They're made up of muscles, tissues, and blood vessels. And just like your legs need walking or your back needs stretching, your eyes need movement and stimulation to stay healthy. When we age, the lens inside the eye stiffens. That's why reading small print or adjusting to different distances becomes harder. It's called presbyopia, and it affects nearly everyone past age 40. But there's more to it than that. Right around that time, the tiny muscles around the lens, called ciliary muscles, start to weaken too. These are the muscles responsible for helping your eyes focus on things both near and far. But if you spend most of your time looking at one distance, like watching TV or scrolling on a phone, those muscles stop getting the variety they need. It's like sitting in one position all day. That's where the focus shift reset helps. When you look at your thumb up close, then shift your gaze far away, and repeat. You're gently training those focusing muscles to stay active and responsive. You're increasing blood flow to the eyes, keeping them energized and flexible. It also helps prevent that stiff, locked-in feeling where your eyes struggle to adjust after looking at a screen or book for too long. Many people say after doing the exercise regularly, they feel less strain, fewer headaches, and more confidence reading or recognizing faces. One senior told us, "It's like stretching my back after sitting too long. I didn't know how tense my eyes felt until they started moving again." And here's something important: the more your eyes stay active, the less dependent you may become on readers or magnifiers. No, it's not a cure or magic fix, but it can help you preserve what you already have. And for many, that's enough. So if your vision has felt stuck or sluggish lately, this simple routine is like oiling a stiff hinge. You're not broken. Your eyes are just waiting to be reminded how to move, how to flex, how to focus again. In the next chapter, you'll hear real voices, seniors just like you, who've added this into their daily routine and noticed a change. Their stories are gentle proof that it's never too late to support your sight, one small step at a time. You've seen how the focus shift reset works. But sometimes the most powerful motivation comes from hearing how it's helped others, people just like you. Eleanor, 73, had almost given up on driving. "I used to squint at every street sign, guessing what it said. It made me anxious. My daughter showed me this exercise, and after 2 weeks, something changed. I could finally read signs without pulling over. That tiny bit of freedom? I got it back." Carlos, 78, turned it into a daily ritual. "I do it every afternoon with my cup of tea. Thumb, then tree outside. Thumb, then that birdhouse across the yard. It feels like I'm taking my eyes on a walk. It's peaceful. And somehow, reading the paper's gotten easier too." Marilyn, 82, was struggling with tension headaches. "I thought it was just old age and too much light. But a friend told me to try this focus exercise. I didn't believe it, but I did it anyway. Within a week, the eye strain was gone. No more rubbing my temples. I even read a full novel last month." These aren't miracle stories. No one threw away their glasses or suddenly had perfect vision. What they experienced was gradual, real improvement, comfort, clarity, confidence. The kind of change that makes everyday life feel just a little bit better. And the common thread? Consistency. They didn't do it once and expect magic. They made it part of their routine, just like brushing teeth or stretching before a walk. A tiny daily habit, adding up over time. You see, aging doesn't mean giving up on improvement. These stories prove that even a small, intentional act, done with care, can unlock progress. There's something deeply inspiring about watching someone your age take back control, One step at a time. Not through surgery. Not with expensive gadgets. But with a thumb, a window, and the decision to try. And that's the point of better aging advice. Not perfection. Not unrealistic promises. Just real habits that bring real results, when you give them a chance. In the next chapter, we'll share a few bonus habits you can pair with this exercise to support your vision even more. Simple changes. Gentle practices. And another way to keep seeing life more clearly. The 30-second eye exercise is a great start, but there are a few simple habits you can add to help your eyes stay clearer, longer. Think of these as small daily upgrades, each one protecting your vision, little by little. 1. Blink more often. It sounds almost too simple, but blinking is how your eyes stay moisturized and refreshed. As we age, we tend to blink less, especially while reading or using screens. That leads to dryness, irritation, and even blurry vision. Try this: every time you pause during reading or watching something, blink slowly, 5 times. It's like a mini eye reset. Some seniors even write the word blink on a sticky note near their screen. It works. 2. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Looking at screens for long periods, TVs, phones, tablets, can strain your eyes without you realizing it. Here's a simple way to break that cycle. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This helps relax your eye muscles and reminds them to adjust focus regularly, just like our focus shift reset. 3. Eat with your eyes in mind. What you eat affects your vision more than most people realize. Your eyes rely on nutrients to stay sharp and resist damage over time. Try to include foods rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, found in leafy greens like spinach and kale. Omega-3s, found in fatty fish like salmon or in flaxseed. Zinc, found in nuts, seeds, and beans. These nutrients support the retina and protect against age-related decline like macular degeneration. 4. Stay hydrated. Dehydration doesn't just affect your energy, it dries out your eyes. If your vision feels foggy or you get that scratchy sensation, it might be time for a glass of water. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses a day. A hydrated body supports every part of your health, including your sight. Now remember, you don't need to do everything at once. Even choosing just one of these habits can make a difference. Start where you are, and build from there. As we wrap up, keep this in mind: you may not get 20/20 vision back, but with just 30 seconds a day, you can gain back clarity, comfort, and confidence. Try the focus shift reset for the next 7 days. Just once a day. See how your eyes feel. And when you do, comment below and tell me what changed first. I love hearing your stories. Tap like if this helped you, and subscribe to Better Aging Advice. Let's keep restoring what matters, together.